I'm Jaikumar Kaushal, and I'm going to present you this project as a part of the internship at Spark Foundation under Global Rotational Internship Program. So here I have showing you the database that I have used for my project. This is the list of dummy users that I have used and generated with the help of VS Code Faker. And let's I have used MongoDB for my implementation of the backend as a database management. And now let's continue with the UI part. So in the UI part, the first page belongs to the home page, and the flow of this is from the home page, where you can see a list of all the customers that exist in the banking system. This banking system, this list of users will contain a link anchor tag, which will take you to the individual customers, and from where you can initiate the transfer by giving the details of the transaction. And after the successful transaction, it will get you redirect to the home page, where you can see the transactions list at the below of the page. So let's see the demo of the application. So continuing with my list of customers, there are fields like name, email, and so on. So I'm clicking this anchor tag to show the individual customer. So this is the individual customer page. The customer Cameron Fanestil. So to initiate the transfer, we will click this transfer button, which will show you a form in which you can give your details of the transfer. So there are three ways through which you can transfer the money: by giving the beneficiary name, or by giving the account number, or the list of the users that exist in my banking system. So, and this is the amount field where you can enter the amount, and if there is a transaction node, you can enter it here. So I'm letting one of the customer input here, Tyrell. Tyrell with no other inputs in the list, and entering the amount. The amount that is entered should be less than the current balance. So so has to have a successful transfer. Let's see if I enter a number greater than this balance. Let's input 560 and click the transfer. It says insufficient balance. This is due to the fact that the amount to be transferred is more than the amount existing in the customer's account. So let input the amount, uh, 445, and transfer as gift, and initiate the transfer. So uh, it will redirect me to the page that was the home page, where the list of the users are listed down. At the below, there is a transaction table in which the last transfer that was at uh, 319, which is now, from the Cameron accounts to the Tyrell Visa, as a transaction note of gift with debited amount of 45 and its current balance. This is the complete transaction, and we can see that the transfer was successful. So um, thank you, and this is all that I have. I have implemented this project as part of my Spark Foundation internship. Thank you.